Hey guys, this is Miss Ramos. This is just a quick video for both parents and students to show you how to get to my Google Classroom, how to access the material within Google Classroom as well. So going to Google, you'll just type in Google Classroom here, and it already pops up. Go to Google Classroom. These are all my classes, but the one that we are using for distance learning is this one. aspire.ms.read8 Ramos. I will have announcements here for you for the week. Your assignments that are due are going to be on this little box to the left. You'll click classwork, the classwork tab to access material. We will have common lit articles that we need to do online, some assignments. We'll do that later on in the week. I'll have helpful notes, videos, and other resources for you to access in case you need additional material to help you think through the skills that I've taught. You'll have an exit ticket, but before that, you would have gone through the mini lessons that gives you basically how to go through a text. Then you would complete your exit ticket. And lastly, going through this website or any questions you have about technology, I will post some videos up here for tutorials and tips. So there you have it. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me, and stay safe.